Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick and easy tea party setup for those of you who have been requesting a tea party for the longest. Sorry about that, but here it is. Tea parties are amazing for any age. I mean, look at that, beautiful. As you know, every Tuesdays I usually have quick and easy DIYs that I make without me talking, but for this one I decided that I should talk and walk you through it. So let's get started. I'm going to have all information for you in the description box in case you would like to purchase these items. And I'm going to start with the tablecloth. And right here I am using three. I am using a rose tablecloth, and then I'm using two lace tablecloth that they were pretty small, so I kind of like connected them in the middle in an angle. And here I have the Centerpiece, which I love, and it consists of a planter from Dollar Tree that I painted in metallic gold. And right here, the sign that you see right here is a greeting card also from Dollar Tree. And then I have a pink raffia wrapped around the pot. As far as the flowers, I have some tulips from Michael's, roses from Michael's, and some pink hydrangeas from Dollar Tree. There's actually a lot going on with this centerpiece. At the very bottom, underneath everything that you can see, there is a small salad plate. There is turned upside down. So it's pretty much turned like this, okay? So I have a saucer or salad plate sitting upside down, and then I have this paper plate from Dollar Tree sitting on top of it. And this way I was able to place the moss decor right underneath that. So if you're wondering how I did that, that's just how I did it. And then I have the pot sitting on top of a small cake stand from Home Goods. And of course, I cannot forget the pearls draping from the centerpiece. The pearls started on the centerpiece and they made their way all over the setup. And I love it. You definitely need pearls at a tea party, at least in my opinion. So pretty. The table sitting consists of a spring pink flower hanging decor that I'm using as placemat, a white salad plate, a floral paper plate from Dollar Tree, and a saucer, teacup, and spoon from my tea set collection. And I will have that information for you in the description box below. On this side, I have a beautiful 3-tier cupcake stand that I made with items from Dollar Tree. At the very bottom, I have a clear plastic cake stand. In between, I have 2 taper candle holders holding a clear glass dinner plate and a clear glass salad plate. So you're looking at spending $5 for each cupcake stand plus $3.69 for the can of paint. But if you already have the paint, all you're going to spend is $5. And if you like, you can also make your very own cake stand for your centerpiece by using a taper candle holder, a small salad plate, and then spray painting it white. Alright guys, so now I have to talk about this centerpiece, which I totally adore. But I'm not gonna lie, I ended up spending more than I expected to spend for the occasion. I spent $30. 30 bucks for this. Oh my gosh. It's still less than the $50 budget I give myself to spend on my centerpieces, but $30 is kind of too much for the occasion. It's supposed to be a little bit in the casual pretty side. Yeah, 30 bucks is kind of a lot. But the reason I ended up spending that much is because I have 4 bouquets of tulips from Michael's and they were each $5. So that alone was 20 bucks. So yeah, so if you go to Dollar Tree and get other flowers to make the arrangement full, you are totally going to spend less than that, probably about 15 bucks. So yeah, don't be afraid. But I just have to warn you, tea parties are not the cheapest things to put together. They are going to cost you, especially if you want to have vintage tea sets. They are not cheap. You can try to go to a thrift store and try to find some here and there, but that's going to take you time to collect. So if you are going to have a tea party, make sure that you give yourself enough time to collect, because I think that's the cheapest way to find tea sets at a cheap price. But if you are going to buy from online or antique places, is going to cost you. This particular tea set cost me a good amount of money, but I thought it was fair for all that included, which included everything that you see on the table. I thought it was a fair price. And I actually also own another tea set that I purchased from an antique store, and that one cost me over $100. So something like this is probably your best bet. So I will have all the information for you in the description box below. And in case you're wondering, I did not make the paper roses that you see in the backdrop. I actually bought them from an Etsy store. Alright guys, this is it. This is my spring tea party setup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a great time putting it together, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.